Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we will have an unusual video and unusual lesson. I will show you how we write handwritten letters in Ukrainian and Russian languages. I will show you how children learn to write at school and use in my example how adults write the handwritten letters. We will see here handwritten letters of both languages. Here you can see "Привет усім" or "Привет всем". That means hi everyone in Ukrainian and Russian. Here we will not focus on pronunciation or grammar. I will just show you how we write letters and words. Here you can see the common letters in Ukrainian and Russian languages, and here only Ukrainian or only Russian letters. And after I will write you some words that include all these letters. Okay, I think we can start and look at how we write handwritten letters. Letter A. At school, usually children learn like this. I write like this. It's my variant of this letter, like this or like this. Letter B. This variant, how usually children learn to write. I write like this. Again, small letter, big letter, and small letter. Usually, a lot of people write like this, small letter. V. Usually, most of people write in the same way, like this. Letter G or G in Russian. As I told before, here we will not focus on pronunciation or grammar. I will just show you how we write letters and words. I write like this, like this. But a lot of people write like first variants. D. For some foreigners, this letter, small letter D, can confuse them because it looks like G in English. But in Russian and Ukrainian language, it's letter D. E or E. Again, big and small letter. G. Big and small. If to write fast, like this. Z. I or E, depends on the language. Big letter and small letter. And in the same way, U. Similar, but just this we add. K. At school, children study like this, similar. I write like this. Big and small. L. Big and small. M. And again N. Or like this. I usually prefer to do this for K and N. O. With O it's simple, I think. P. At school, children usually learn to write like this. I write like this, big and small. R, or like this. You see, sometimes it may be difficult to understand which letter is it. Like this, people write. Or a small letter can be like this also. Some people like to write. S. With S, I think it's simple. T, also interesting letter for foreigners. At school, children learn to write like this. I write like this. Wait, sorry, like this. Sometimes it can be similar like P. Well, this. I missed, not small, this. Some people write like this, small letter, also, and big letter. But it's not so correct, but you can meet in text. U, big and small letter. F, or like this. I write like this. H, or if to write fast, it can look like this. Sometimes maybe some people write K and H similar. C, big and small. I write like this. Ch, it's similar Ch like English R, but it's Ch in Ukrainian and Russian. And again, big and small. Sh, again, sh. Sh, similar like C and sh and sh. Like I write like this. Soft sign, I think it's not difficult. U, or I write like this. Or ya, big and small. Or some people can write like this. Okay, we saw the common letters of Ukrainian and Russian languages, and now we will see letters for only Ukrainian or only Russian. Letter G. You can meet this letter enough rarely. Not much words include these letters. Yeah. And again, like S, but a little different. E. Sometimes people don't write dots. I can write also like this. E, 2 dots, but looks the same. Or like this. And only Russian letters. Yo, similar like E Ukrainian or Y Russian, but we should add 2 dots. Russian like soft sign, and Ukrainian it looks, but it's one letter again. Not opposite to Ukrainian heart sign, like soft sign, but we add this heart sign. Okay, we saw the letters of Ukrainian and Russian languages, handwritten letters. And now we will write the words that include all these letters. Some of the words we write in the same way in Ukrainian and Russian languages. But some of the words can be only Ukrainian or only Russian. You can see I wrote this. And let's start to write these letters. I hope you see good. Okay. Word apельсин or apельсин. Like this, or I prefer to write like this. You see every letter apельсин or apельсин. But again. Or так. Apельсин. Банан. Apельсин is orange. Банан. Banana. Банан. Faster. Banan. Sometimes this N can looks like pear. If to write very fast, you see, but it's N. Виделка, fork in Ukrainian language. Виделка. Or if write faster. Or вовк. Вовк is wolf. Just to show you how we write V in the middle of the word. Голова or голова, head. Like this, or голова, or from small letter голова. Дерево or дерево, tree. Faster. Европа, Europe. Европа. Життя, life in Ukrainian, and жизнь, life in Russian. It's interesting because some people can write te in another way, like this. You can meet also. And жизнь. Золото or золото, gold. Игра, game. Or like this, we can write R in different way. Yogurt or yogurt. Or like this, I just show difference. And if we have U in the end, червоний, it's red in Ukrainian. I will write U in the end. Because adjectives in masculine gender have U in the end. Картопля, it's potato, and картошка also potato. But in Ukrainian and Russian, картопля, картопля, or like this, картопля, ой, топля, да. Again, I will write here картопля, again, and картошка, картошка. Любов, love, любовь. In Russian language, we should add just soft sign in the end. Вот, любовь. It's different between Ukrainian and Russian for this word. Mama, mama, and again, mama. Небо, sky or небо. Or let's write more beautiful. Небо. Or like this. Окно, window. Окно, or again. Поле or поле, field. Or what better? I prefer write like this. Поле. Рука, hand or ручка, pen. Рука or ручка. And again, ручка. Семья, family, or семья, also family in Ukrainian. You can see how we write with a soft sign in the middle. Семья or семья. Because in Ukrainian language we have apostrophe. Семья. Семья. Тато, father. Some people can write in one word even letter T in different way, like this or like this. In one word even you can meet. For foreigners, by the way, this small letter also confused because it's similar to English M. But in Russian and Ukrainian, this is T. Like tato, or from small letter tato. Even some people can write like this. It's also tato. Хлеб, bread, or хлеб. I don't used to write bear in this way. I write like this. Цуценя, puppy. Цуценя. 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 Чоловік, man, or husband. In Ukrainian we have the same word for this. Чоловік or чоловік from small letter. Шапка, hat. Шапка. Шапка. Щенок, it's also puppy, but in Russian language. I write like this. It's school, study, similar to this. or okay, look at again this, and we will continue with another letters. Here also two words in different languages. Юбка, skirt, юбка, or юбка. Яблоко, apple. Again. And some Ukrainian letters. From this letter we will start words. Гудзик, button. From letter G. Гудзик. Europa. It's Europe, but in Ukrainian language we write from another letter. What if you remember, in Russian we write like this. From this letter, it's Russian year, and Ukrainian year looks differently. Europa. These letters we have only in Ukrainian. These letters we have only in Russian. Europa or moje, to show how we write in the end of the word. Moje, it's my for neuter gender. Іграшка, toy. Іграшка or іграшка. I write more similar to this variant. Їжак, hedgehog. Їжак or їжак. Or поїзд, train, поїзд. To show how we write ye in the middle of the word. And some words with Russian letters. Ekran, screen, ekran, or duet. You see, I automatically wrote this variant. Or duet. Letter I. Usually don't start words from this letter I. Usually it's letter in the middle or in the end of the words. And in Ukrainian language also, this I, usually we don't have words from this letter. We have, but they are not common words. Usually we don't start. But in Russian language, it's letter I, that's why we have words where we start from this letter. Okay, быть, to be. Быть. Or быть. It's infinitive. Or был, была, was for masculine and feminine. Был, была. Or word рыба, fish. Рыба. Ёлка, New Year tree. Ёлка. Вот, ёлка. And моё. Моё. Yo in the end. Моё, it's my for neuter gender. And hard sign. In some words we had soft sign. What you can see. Семья, for example. It's soft sign in the middle of the word. And here I will write you word with hard sign. Объект. Object. Объект. Like we write or from a small letter. Объект. Okay, I showed you how we write the handwritten letters in Ukrainian and Russian languages. You saw here general letters of both languages and only Ukrainian and Russian. And I showed you some words which include all these letters. I hope you see. You see everything here. You can see again all of these letters or all of these words. I hope this video was useful for you. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments. And please click the like button, subscribe to my channel. See you!